they call Mercy Kenneth. Maybe say a lot of people they talk say na Kenneth Okonkwo say na him first daughter na him this small girl be. And I know this small girl na why they sing that time mama oh mama mama come oh mama you good oh mama you sweet oh mama you fine. So now she don't finally become one of the top Nollywood actress. What did they talk about? You understand? Though she is doing well, I must confess that she is doing well. She's 14 years old of age. So many of us know this girl where be say her name na Mercy Kenneth. As I once tell you guys, say they talk say na she be Kenneth Okonkwo's daughter, but no be Kenneth Okonkwo give birth to her. Now another person, but just that they answer the same surname. You understand? Okay, for looking of things, now this Mercy can come out boldly. Oh gosh, look at this small girl. Not where my mind said, not where my ear